This Greenbelt Challenge is going to look at wait times. We want to see if the overall wait time for our practice is greater than 20 minutes, and secondly, we want to see if this varies by office. We'll use the file patient data. Because we're looking at averages and this is a 1-to standard structure, we'll use the one sample t-test. Our alternative hypothesis is set up that wait time will be greater than 20 minutes, and the null is that average wait time overall is less than or equal to 20 minutes. Let's see how you did. All right, this exercise is focusing on wait times, which is column G. We want to see if the average wait time is greater than 20 or not for our practice overall. Secondarily, we've been asked to see if that varies by office. This is not a problem. We will use the one sample t-test by going to Stat Tools, one sample t-test. Entire table next. We will dump in wait time as the y variable. The mean in this case should be 20, and we need to make certain that the alternative hypothesis matches what's in our material, and that is greater than. Then we punch OK. The low p-value tells us to reject the null. In other words, we're saying that the population average wait time is indeed greater than 20 minutes. This box is showing us that for our sample of 100, average wait time was 29 minutes. The confidence interval is showing us 28 minutes. This is the lower bound of the confidence interval. What does this mean? This says if we were to monitor all patients coming through our practice for a long period of time and calculate that average, that population average mu would be 28 minutes. So in summary, we can say we reject the null. Overall wait time is indeed greater than 20 minutes. In fact, we're 95% certain it's at least 28 minutes. The other challenge was to see if this varies by office. So we recall our last dialog box, and where it says optional group category, we're going to select office. We leave the rest of this the same, and when we punch OK, we immediately get one sample t-tests for each office. All of them have low p-values. So here is our overall conclusion. Wait time is indeed greater than 20 minutes. We are 95% certain that if you looked at all patients for the Main Street office, the wait time would be at least 28.5 minutes. That same mu, population wait time for Mall Park patients, would be 25.3 minutes, and for South Avenue, you're waiting at least 27.5 minutes on average. Hopefully your answers match that, so let's go back to the course.